Welcome to the Gurukul Prep podcast on 27th September. Update 1. Important Day. World Tourism Day, September 27. Every year on 27th September, World Tourism Day commemorates the importance of tourism and its global social, cultural, and economic effects. Established by the United Nations in 1980, it serves as a reminder of the importance of tourism in promoting cultural understanding and peace. It calls on governments, corporations, and communities to emphasize sustainable practices that boost local economies while protecting natural and cultural heritage. Tourism and peace has been selected as the theme for World Tourism Day in 2024. Update 2. Economy. Dassault Aviation expands footprint in India with new military MRO subsidiary. Dassault Aviation, a French aerospace manufacturer, has established a subsidiary company, Dassault Aviation MRO India, DAMROI, focused on military maintenance, repair, and overhaul MRO activities in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. According to a business news statement issued on 25th September, the subsidiary firm will be established under the Atmanirbhar Bharat strategy, which aims to boost India's self-reliance and promote indigenous value-added services. The company stated that it is committed to meeting the needs of the Indian Air Force and would offer tailor-made products and services to support its Mirage 2000 fleet and the fighter aircraft supplied by Dassault Aviation in India. Update 3. International. IMF approves $7 billion loan for Pakistan. The International Monetary Fund's IMF Executive Board has approved a new $7 billion credit to Pakistan, a country facing financial difficulties. The statement came more than 2 months after the two parties initially agreed. Authorities indicated that the loan, which will be granted to Islamabad over 37 months, is meant to provide a much-needed boost to Pakistan's struggling economy. In a statement, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif praised the agreement, which his team had worked on with the IMF since June. Update 4. International. James Cameron joins Stability AI Board. Filmmaker James Cameron has joined the board of directors of Stability AI, an artificial intelligence AI company, 40 years after creating a film on its perils. Cameron created and directed the 1984 film The Terminator, in which a rogue AI named Skynet threatens humanity's existence. His responsibilities will revolve around how the technology can be employed in special effects, generally known as computer-generated imagery, CGI. Amongst his long list of hit movies, Cameron is known for creating unique effects-heavy Avatar, the highest-grossing film of all time. Update 5. Rank and Report. ADB retains India's economic growth forecast at 7% for FY24, 7.2% for FY25. The Asian Development Bank, ADB, predicts that India's economy will increase by 7% in FY 2024 and 7.2% in FY 2025. The ADB maintained that India's economic growth would continue to be strong. India's economy has shown remarkable resilience in the face of global geopolitical challenges and is poised for steady growth, said ADB Country Director for India Mio Oka. Agricultural improvements will enhance rural spending, which will complement the effects of robust performance of the industry and services sectors, says ADB. Update 6. Rank and Report. India overtakes Japan as Asia's third most powerful nation. According to the Lowy Institute's newest Asia Power Index, India has officially surpassed Japan as Asia's third most powerful country. This rank shift reflects India's expanding impact across the continent, cementing its status as a key global player with aspirations to become a superpower. India's rise in the Asia Power Index can be ascribed to several fundamental causes, all contributing to the country's expanding regional and global clout. Japan's slow population growth, limited military expansion, and relatively stagnant economic performance have caused it to lose ground to rising giants like China and India. Update 7. Rank and Report. Moody's upgrades India's economic growth forecast to 7.1% for CY 2024. Moody's, a global rating agency, has raised its GDP growth prediction for India for 2024 from 6.8% to 7.1%. This shift demonstrates a strong economic outlook despite global uncertainty. The increased revision reflects confidence in India's economic resiliency and development prospects. India's inflation rate remained below 4% in July and August. This decline suggests improvements in economic stability and price management. Moody forecasts inflation to be 4.5% in 2025 and decrease to 4.1% in 2026. Update 8. Science and Technology. India's DRDO, IIT Delhi develop Abed lightweight bulletproof jackets. The Defence Research and Development Organisation, DRDO, in collaboration with experts from the Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, Delhi, has created lightweight bulletproof jackets called Abed, Advanced Ballistics for High Energy Defeat, which provide 360-degree protection. The armor plates for the jackets have passed all relevant RAND trials by the protocols. The Ministry of Defence said that the jackets meet the highest threat levels and are lighter than the maximum weight limits stipulated in the respective General Staff qualitative requirements of the Indian Army. Update 9. Sports. Jeevan Vijay pair wins Hangzhou Open 2024. India's Jeevan Neduchezhia and Vijay Sundar Prashant won the doubles title at the 2024 Hangzhou Open, defeating Germany's Konstantin Franzen and Henrik Jebens in an exciting final. The victory is the duo's first on the ATP Tour since joining forces at the start of the 2024 season. They won 4-6, 7-7, 6-5, 10-7 at the Hangzhou Olympic Sports Center as unseeded competitors in the ATP 250 event. It took them an hour and 49 minutes to beat the German duo. For Jeevan, aged 35, this is his second ATP title, with his last win dating back to the 2017 Chennai Open alongside Rohan Bopanna. For 37-year-old Vijay, this marks his first title on the ATP circuit. Update 10. State. Tripura government launches CM SAT scheme to help deserving students in higher education. Tripura Chief Minister Manik Saha has announced a new scheme, CM SAT, to help outstanding students pursue higher education. The Chief Minister launched the plan and emphasized the state government's commitment to ensuring that financial restrictions do not impede actual talent development and access to excellent education. The CM SAT project has been designed to provide financial support of 60,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees monthly, to 200 students, 100 at Madhyamik level and 100 at higher secondary level, based on merit for 2 and 3 years, respectively, for higher learning.